The feds are puzzled to why housing prices have not come down. Why is this happening? Hi, my name is Nicole Black, your Arizona realtor, and we're going to do a deep dive into what's going on in Arizona and why we are not seeing a correction in housing prices. Okay, so this is where I found the information from. So you can take a look at yourself. You can look on YouTube. It's Bloomberg Television. It is the video about the Fed's call to housing inflation a puzzle. They are puzzled because they have risen interest rates dramatically and fast. And with that in combination with housing prices, it should correct them, but it's not. And why is this? Hello, Feds. The United States as a whole has had no supply of homes for the longest time. Not no, low supply of homes. We have barely any resale homes for sale to support the demand in the market. Hence, prices staying high. Right now in Arizona, the combination of the 17 largest cities, we only have a total of about 3 months left of supply. So, what that means, if no more houses come on the market for sale in 3 months, it'll be all gone. We will not have one home on the market for sale. That's a really low supply of homes. But as I've mentioned, real estate is hyper focused. So let's take a deep dive into our area. Let's first take a look at from 2013 to 2023 and going into 2024, our annual sales rate in the greater Phoenix area. So this makes sense. We had a lot of sales in 2021, but look what's happened from 2021 all the way starting to 2024. We have dramatically decreased in our sales because our inventory has been completely eaten up. It's been purchased, and not many people are putting their houses back on the market. So we have dropped in our sales. One thing, though, I found interesting. I don't think it means anything just yet. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. But can you see? I know it's really small, but there was barely any teal for short sales at all from 2021 to 2023, 24. Can you see, though, down here, it's kind of getting bigger for short sales. So just we're going to keep an eye on that. Again, it might be nothing, but it's just the first time that I've seen something like that occur. And if you remember from my last video, I told you we're going to keep an eye on the active listings weekly count because it started off 2024 a little lower than 2023, but as you can see in 2023, listing just went down. Down, kind of came up. And then in 2024, we started lower than 2023, but look at where we're at now. Our supply of active listings went up slightly. Where after the Super Bowl, that's like our Super Bowl. It kicks off our real estate season. And right now, listings have actually gone up since the Super Bowl, which means more people are starting to list them, which is very interesting. And then you can see our listings under contract. So this is our demand. The best that we can see demand is, of course, who's actually buying, who's putting their money where their mouth is. So we started to go up just like in 2023, and then 2024 started to taper off. So again, our sales are still weak, lower than they've been in a long, long time for our demand, but it's still there. Our supply is going up a little bit. So where am I going with this? Our real estate market is very, very underwhelming, and it is not giving us any good indicators one way or the other right now. We are stale. We are kind of stuck. We are moseying on along. As you can see here, listings under contract continue to be underwhelming. Only 8,182 after 7 weeks of the year. The same time last year, we had 8,877, so not that big of a difference. But the year before that, we were at 12,131. So we are just underwhelming. I know a lot of people like to act about the average days on market. We like to look more of an overall trend than versus the exact specific number. And as you can see, we've gone up, but we're not shooting up and we're not shooting down. We're just kind of staying there. And then we always like to take a look weekly at what the Cromford Market Index is doing in the 17 major cities. Again, the Cromford Market Index is only specific to Arizona. So if you've never heard of it, it's because it's only in Arizona. And it's been around for over 20 years. It's been very accurate. It is a leading indicator, not a lagging indicator. And you can see here when we see green, that means that's in the advantage for sellers. And when we see red, it means it's shifted to the buyers. We have 5 of the cities in a more shift to the buyers. The rest are still in the sellers' advantage. So again, pretty much like it's kind of fluctuating, but not too much. Again, we're stale. So even though it's stale, let's cover at least some things. One, there is no sign of a short term or medium term market crash. I know everyone's waiting for the crash, but right now in the short term, in the kind of the medium, we don't see any indication of a crash or a correction at this time from what the data today is giving us. Now, our real estate market compared to starting off in 2023 to 2024, we are a little bit more in strengthening of our supply. So that's actually a really good sign. It's little, but at least it's in a better direction. There's been nearly a 20% increase in new listings since last year in 2023. However, in the 2 million plus price bracket, the seller's advantage is weakening. So if you are a buyer looking to buy in the 2 million plus, you could have more opportunity for negotiation. And before we round out our conversation of our market update today, I do want to show you one more thing because I like the visual for it. As we have mentioned, real estate is hyper focused. It can change by zip code. It can even change sometimes by blocks. So if you look here at this visual of home values in Phoenix, Arizona, they're different all across the board. So if you have any questions and want more information about where you like to buy in the Valley, please call, text, or email, whatever your preferred communication is, and we will get back to you. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe because this is what we do. We do market updates, home tours, community tours, map tours to help you learn more about Arizona. Wherever you are in the world today, I hope you're doing absolutely amazing. And don't forget, we're always here for you.